Question 47 says, state the three-figured bearing of x from y in the figure below. The three-figured bearing of x, that's the bearing of x from y. You can also say the location of x from y. Look at the diagram here. This is not a real bearing reading. It's from the north, but it's going anti-clockwise. That's, your clock normally goes from 12 to 1 down, but this is going the other way around. That's why your 140 is here. There's several ways to solve this, but let's just redraw. We have our line going to the north. We have one branching to location y from x. We know this angle here is 140 from this, and this is point x. At point x, we make our straight line and this down to get our 4 cardinal points. This is the east, up is the north, down is south, here is west. And the distance from here to here is 140 degrees. That's as shown in the diagram here. All what we've done is at point x, which is this, we introduced our 4 cardinal points, which we have like this. You can also do it here. You have a line that runs here and a line from the north that runs down south. From here, we can now break down this 140. From the west to the north, or from the north to the west, is 90 degrees. So this angle here is 90. The rest makes up to 140. So if this is 90, let's just indicate it. This part is 90. The rest, which is this angle, is 140 minus 90 degrees. This is simply traveling an angle of 140 degrees. You've traveled 90, then the rest will be 140 minus 90, which is 50 degrees. We know this small angle is 50 degrees. And what we're going to do next is at point y, which is here, we make our 4 cardinal points. The north, the west, and down is the south. And it says three-figured bearing. Three-figured bearing, unlike compass bearing, the readings are always taken from the north in a clockwise direction. We're going this clockway. Now we know this is 50. This line, east-west, we can run it a little bit longer. Same as this west-east, we can run it a little bit longer. And note, they are parallel to one another. This line is parallel to this. So whatever this angle is, this small angle, which is 50, this is also 50. This angle is also 50. That's alternate angles. It forms a Z. If you look at it, go this way and this way. This is the inner part of the Z. This acute angle of this Z is same as this acute angle of this Z, provided these lines are parallel. And this is a straight line. So if this is 50, this is also 50, based on alternate angles. We know this is 50, and we know we're asked to find the three-figured bearing. And the reading of the three-figured bearing starts from the north, and this is 50. And from the north to the east is 90. The distance from here to here is 90. A part of it is 50. The remaining part will be 90 minus 50, which is 40. Now the angle here is 40 degrees. So the three-figured bearing of x from y, that's y, that line that goes to x, is 40 degrees, because we are taking it from the north to where it hits that line that runs through to x. The answer to question 47 is therefore C, 40 degrees.